Hi, do you know what is end-user development? End-user development describes any systems development projects where the users, executives, managers, or even data entry personnel assume the primary effort. With end-user development, managers and other users can get the systems they want without having to wait for the professionals to develop and deliver them. End-user development, however, tends to be risky as often these users do not have the training to effectively develop and tests the systems, and some of the systems are poorly documented. End-user development should be used as a supplementary to the SDLC. End-user developers come in various forms and can be found in different domains. Here are some common types of end-user developers. Spreadsheet developers. These users are adept at creating complex spreadsheets with custom functions, formulas, and macros to automate tasks and perform data analysis. They often use tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Database developers. End-user developers in this category are skilled at building and managing databases using software like Microsoft Access, FileMaker, or cloud-based databases. They design and maintain databases to store and retrieve data for their specific needs. Web designers and bloggers. Individuals who create and manage websites or blogs, often using content management systems, e.g., WordPress. Even without extensive web development knowledge, they may use templates, themes, and plugins to customize their sites. App builders. With the advent of low-code and no-code development platforms, end-user developers can create mobile apps, web apps, or desktop applications without extensive coding skills. These platforms provide visual interfaces for building applications. End-user development has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and its suitability depends on the specific context, needs, and goals of the users. Here are some key advantages and disadvantages of end-user development. Advantages. 1. Freezes resources for higher priority projects. 2. May help reduce the hidden backlog. 3. Faster design, implementation cycle. 4. More acceptable to users. 5. Reduces communications problems between users and is. 6. Encourages innovation and creative solutions. Disadvantages. 1. Duplication or effort and waste of resources. 2. Greatly increased costs. 3. Loss of control over data. 4. Loss of control of quality in both programs and data. 5. Incompatibles prevent sharing. 6. Can be used to circumvent control processes, such as the steering committee. 7. Generally produces narrow, inflexible systems with short lives. The function of end users in the software development process can vary depending on the specific context and their level of involvement. Here are some functions or roles that end users may play in the development process. End user functions. 1. User feedback. This feedback helps developers refine and improve their creations. 2. Product utilization. Must suit end user intended purposes, whether it's using software applications, consuming content, or performing tasks. 3. Quality assessment. Their satisfaction or dissatisfaction can drive product adoption or abandonment. 4. Customization. Depending on the product, end users may have the option to customize settings, preferences, or content to align with their specific needs. Development functions. 1. Design and creation. Development team responsible for turning ideas and requirements into functional solutions. 2. Testing and quality assurance. Developers test products to identify and resolve issues, ensuring they meet quality and performance standards before release. 3. User-centered design. Developers incorporate user-centered design principles to create intuitive and user-friendly interfaces, taking into account the needs and preferences of end users.